by Mandy, eating at the Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar tonight. You've got sushi, you've got torch sushi, sashimi, chef specials. You've got your caviar if you wanted that. This is on display during the day. I think it's been mostly displayed because it's been here all day today. But you have somebody making your sushi fresh. You might be making ours. 3 of us decided to come down for sushi. And check it out. This is just on the other side of the piazza. So the 3-story atrium here in the piazza has it where you're able to listen to the live music. They just finished a song right before I started and probably starting again. You have Alfredo's over there on the starboard side. And you also have another new restaurant over here on the port side as well. This is on deck 7. Comparing to the Royal Princess, it was moved slightly from, the photography is now down on deck 6. But this is an alternative option. I'll post some photos down in comments to show the menu. But as you can see, it's being made fresh. And I'll post pictures once it comes out. Cruise by Mandy, signing off from the Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar and Grill.